What is up, guys? Sky here once again, and in this video I'm going to talk about why your class lectures and videos might be going to the wrong folder in Panopto. So basically there was a recent update with Zoom, and as a result of that update and our LTI integration between D2L and Zoom and Panopto, your videos may be going to a different folder than the course folder. So, in other words, if you're experiencing an issue in which your recorded class videos through D2L are not going into the correct folder for that class in Panopto, this video is for you. And so I'm going to show you basically just how to move those, as well as how to fix that problem for the future. So, the first thing I want to show you is how to move those videos. So, most likely what's happening in all the cases we've encountered is that those recorded videos, the recorded Zoom lectures that you have set to go to your corresponding class folder in Panopto are going to this one here called My Folder. So I'm going to go to My Folder here, and I have a couple test videos, but basically I'm just going to show you how you can move one, right? So basically, we'll take this demo Panopto video down here, and really all you need to do to move a video from one folder to another is click on this little check mark, and you'll go up here to where it says Move. And from here, you're going to want to choose the folder you want to move it to. So you're going to need to make sure you know the name of that class folder. And to do that, you can just go into D2L, click on Panopto class videos in the nav bar, and it'll take you to Panopto. You can see what that folder's name is, and then you can know what to type in here, or you could even just copy and paste it. I'm going to use my sandbox folder, so I'm going to type in Sky Sandbox, and there you can see this is my sandbox folder. I'm going to click on that, and now that that's selected, I can click Move. And now it's moved. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go and I'm going to find that folder just to make sure that it worked. And there we can see our demo Panopto video is now moved into the Sky Sandbox folder. This is actually the Panopto course folder for that D2L shell in D2L, so we know that that will be there if they click on that link in the course shell. In addition, I also have another folder, a subfolder within this folder, which is something that you can do as well, and you can even move folders from your My Folder to that one. If you like to, have a lot of different organizational folders, that's certainly fine. But if you just want to use the course shell folder, then you now know how to move things into there. The next thing I'm going to show you is how to fix the issue going forward if you are experiencing it. So before this update, if you had made all of your, and what we'll do is we'll actually go to D2L real quick. If you had made all of your Zoom class sessions, recurring like we had showed you in a previous video in D2L, then those are all unfortunately going to be, I guess, corrupted because of the new update. In other words, all of the recordings from those set meetings are going to only go into the wrong folder. So what you'll have to do is go to Zoom through your D2L course, and however you have your meetings set up, if you have, generally they would all be displayed right here. Then what you'll basically have to do is delete them and recreate them, which isn't really that hard. Once you delete all of them, you can go to schedule a new meeting. And again, we talked about this in a previous video, but you can just set up the when, how long, and then if you're going to set it to be recurring, you can then set it to recur, whenever that class actually meets. So again, I know it's a pain to delete all of them, but it's really not that hard to remake them. And once you do remake them, they will go into the correct folder, because they will be under the updated version of Zoom. Also, if you have given your students a link to these previous meetings, then you'll need to make sure you update that link, because even if you delete all of those and remake them, that link is still going to be going to the old version. So you'll need to make sure that you repaste that link if it's in an announcement, or send it out via an email. However you did it, just make sure you do that once again. As always, if you have any questions or need any help, you can always email us at onlinehelp@okcu.edu.